एक म्हणल्यार तुगे मारिजुआनाचेर आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दॅट गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना प्रपोजल हाडला देर आर 2 issues. One, the benefits. Second, the legal side. Now benefits and things zaite ha. There is CBT, cannabinol, cannabidol, and THC. Ata there are THC is already in the form of chemicals, gels, and all that, and cannabidol is used for a lot of medical properties. The question that comes to my mind is one, when existing setup policing कडे कांय check धरून जायना. At the back of me is the police station. Somewhere close by even drugs चलता. You can't protect the state from drugs, and how come you are allowing a file to be moved for marijuana? Do you want to legalize drugs? Do you want to say that because it is available freely, let's legalize it? एक पार्ट असेंब्ली स्टेटमेंट जातालो म्हाका कितें सगळें लिगल जावपा जाय म्हणून ते भाशेन तुमी करूंक सोदताय? आर यू टेस्टिंग द वॉटर्स वेदर पीपल आर वॉट पीपल आर सेइंग? वॉट विल बी द स्टेट अफेयर्स ऑफ द स्टेट? हैव यू पेड अटेंशन टू वॉट विल बी द अफेयर्स ऑफ द स्टेट? Or do you want foreigners to come here as tourists and start agriculture? शेत रोवपा सोदताय तुमी मारिजुआनाची? कितें करूंक सोदताय तुमी? That is the questions that come to the minds of the people. Now, the other side of it, the benefits are so much. Whether do you with that proposal, do you want to start some medical tourism, or do you want to start kind proposals na, infrastructure na? Prestige file moves jata without even application of mind. It shows bad governance on part of the government. And second, you can't protect the state against drugs. So you are going to destroy the state. Now let the experts give opinion, and let the legal side give opinion, and let the matter come to assembly. This is what I have to say as a legislator and a law-abiding citizen of the state. Now, as far as quarantine and as far as other issues are concerned, foreign amgele London sa amge goinkar येयले, some with Portuguese passport, some with Indian passport येयले. तांकां बाड्यांक क्वॉरंटायन केले, थोड्यांक डेली क्वॉरंटायन केले, थोड्या गोंया येयले आनी गोंया टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह जाले आनी तांकां ESI आयले. There are around 35 people who have come and they are in ESI. तांकां फॅसिलिटी देखून प्रॉपर ना. They are ready to pay in private places, private quarantine center also they are ready to pay. तांकां काडले सगळ्यांक एक कडेन आयले. कोण इन्फेक्टेड आहा तो आनी ना तो टेस्ट येयले बगर कडपा ना. तांकां सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ना, तांकां कांय सारकें ना. तांकां फॅसिलिटीज आहाय. मुगे गव्हर्मेंटाक I want to bring to highlight this issue in front of the government. They need to be protected. They are all calling to each other. ते बडे बरे येयले हॉलिडे, Christmas, New Year गोंयान सारतो म्हण. तांकां चिंतना जालें. They are thinking whether to come back to Goa or not. So don't allow. There are few people. Pay attention to them. The test which has gone to Pune has not come. Nobody knows when it's going to come. They don't even know when it's going to come. So muge request our government, give them proper directions, shift them if you want, because some of them are already 4-5 days inside, some of them are more than 7 days inside, and some of them now there is a case in Delhi, 7 days one girl has been quarantined. I've spoken to the Delhi administration to see how best you can help her. 7 days they are quarantined already in a hotel, kept separate, negative. Now they are told to quarantine more 15 days. So I call upon the Chief Minister, I call upon the administration to pay attention to these people. I'm writing to them also. I've highlighted the issue. I've told the collectors this issue. I've told I'm sending some details to Chief Secretary also. But they are our own citizens at one time. Now some of them may not be because of the policies, but they goinkar. तेंगे घरा आहा सगळ्यां तेंच्यान घरा को देवन क्वॉरंटायन जाता. हे दोन इश्यूज आज हातले मारले कित्याक एज अ which needs to be highlighted.
So how you see the cannabis are medically करू शकता आमी
मेडिकल करू शकता जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान प्रपोजल दिवपा जाय. कांय प्रपोजल नासतना तूं लिगलायज सोदिता. दॅट इज नॉट करेक्ट. दीस इज द इश्यू. तुमी कितें फॉरना हाडूंक सोदताय आनी तांकां शेत रोय म्हणटाय. दॅट इज वॉट कम्स टू माय मायंड इमिजिएटली. तुका इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कांय ना तें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक गोंयकारांक की थिंगा ड्रग्स आहाय काय ना ते. ओ सॉरी, ड्रग्स लिगली यूज जातले काय ना ते. इलिगल ड्रग्स मेळटाय, तूं लिगलायज करूं सोदिता तें जायना न्ही तें.
So you support for this or you don't
No,
support?
we don't support. We are going to oppose this. But let the party and let the opposition take a decision. We will stand by them. But my view is that we have to.
How much damage will be there to Goa? गोवा केन्ना आमी युथाचे बद्दल उलयता जाल्यार युथाक कितलो डॅमेज जावं शकता ते.
आतां डॅमेज पड जालो आहा तो तांकां एसेस केला. गव्हर्मेंटान एसेस केला कितलो डॅमेज जालो तो. आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क द गव्हर्मेंट, हॅव यू एसेस्ड इट? रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर पासून सारकें नाही. रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर पेंडींग आहे. बरो प्रपोजल रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर म्हाका सांग, कोणाच्यान प्रेसान सांगपा जाता एक रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर आहा, ड्रग रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर आहा. हॅव यू एसेस्ड हाव मेनी ड्रग एडिक्ट्स आर देर? बिकॉज सेंटर पडे आहा तो मातशें पयस दवरूंक पडटा. कित्याक ड्रग एडिक्ट्स जेन्ना तूं एक कडेन घालता तेन्ना तांकां यू कॅनॉट कीप दॅम अमांग रेजिडेंसीज बिकॉज तांकां टेंडन्सी आसता मदें ड्रग मारपाची. यू हॅव टू बी केअरफूल वे यू गोइंग टू हॅव दॅट ड्रग रिहॅबिलिटेशन सेंटर. ते शेजार मागीर बॉब मारीत म्हूण थिंग कोण येतात म्हूण. बट इम्पॉर्टंट इज कांय तुमगे सायज प्रपोजल ना आनी तुमी आनी करूं सोदताय. कितें करूं सोदताय तुमी? दॅट इज द थिंग. I am of the opinion that it has to be properly debated. Nothing should be done, and it should be brought in this assembly. The issue.
आता कितें तरी पळयता की टबॅको बॅन आसा पण प्रोडक्शन चालू आसा. सो हाव यू सी
You can't compare tobacco to marijuana. Tobacco म्हणल्यार घरा कडेन सार सिंपल आमगे ग्रँड मदर्स देखून डुमटी ओडून येयलो हांवें. बट marijuana and drugs is different.